I got a new camera. This is a pretty rare camera. It's a video camera, but it's not just any video camera. It is a high-speed camera. Here it is. It is a 1000 frames per second camera. High-speed Okay, I can't keep it together anymore. So anyways, this is it. And this is a pretty rare camera. These were made for a short period of time in the mid to late 2000s. I mean, 2010s. And I believe it was in 2017 that the company kind of folded in, and that was the end of their production. So there's not very many of these out there at all. And it's kind of a shame because this fills an area where there really is not a lot of other products. There's not very many high-speed cameras available in the consumer price range. I don't know what these would have retailed for originally. I think it was under $2,000, and that of course is an astronomical amount of money, but for this kind of equipment it's not much at all. So I didn't pay anywhere near that much for this one. But anyways, the reason I got this is because sometimes you're working on something mechanical, and if it's something that has motion to it, it can be hard to see what's going on if it's having a problem. And so sometimes it's useful to record it at higher speed, and and then you can slow it down and kind of see what's going on and where it's going wrong and whatnot. So that was kind of why I bought this. It was also just kind of a curiosity. So I don't know what I'm going to end up recording with this thing. I can't imagine I'll get a whole lot of use out of this. I guess there's no lens cover, there's just tape. But it didn't come with a battery charge. I think the batteries go in here. I don't know if these are charged up or not. These are those crazy lithium firebomb cells. So let's see here. See if it has any charge. I don't know how to use this thing. Hopefully the instructions are on that USB key that was in the box. Yeah, it's probably out of charge. Oh no, wait, there it goes. There's a backlight now. Okay, it's coming on. Battery's at 2%. Okay, I think the lens cover is open now. No, it's not. How do you record? Well, okay, I gotta learn how to use this. Okay, I'm gonna turn that off. Is it recording now? The lens is still closed. Stop. Is this a manual lens cover? There it is. Okay, that's cool. Now that we've opened the lens, okay, just stop whatever it's doing. It looks like it's there, but it's very dark. I'm sure this requires a lot of light to work well, but that seems a little bit excessive. It's a little blurry. So does this have it's manual focus? Okay. So there we go, it's in focus. The image looks kind of weird. Let's see if we do a recording here. Is it recording now? I have no idea. This is ridiculous. I need to read the instruction manual. We do a playback. Yeah, this is nutty. I don't know what I'm doing with this camera. Do we have any settings here? Stop. Stop. How do you get to the settings? Not sure. Well, anyways, this is the camera, and it does seem to work. I think I just don't know how to use it. So, I'll try to learn how to use it, and then perhaps we can record some interesting videos.